Your laziness isn't rest, it's decay. Your brain is rotting from inaction, and you wonder why you feel like garbage even when you did nothing all day. Here's the truth. Your body craves resistance. Sit around avoiding effort, and your energy plummets because you're designed to struggle, overcome, and dominate. Comfort drains you. Movement fuels you. If you're tired of feeling exhausted from existing, here's how to fix it. 1. Demand more from yourself. Your brain is a weapon, but it turns against you when unused. Set a non-negotiable daily challenge. Lift, learn, or build something. No exceptions. 2. Cut the fake relaxation. Scrolling, binging, and zoning out aren't recovery. They're avoidance. Real rest requires purpose. Read, walk, reflect. 3. Attack small wins early. The moment you wake, conquer something. Make your bed. Crush a workout. Momentum is energy. Stop mistaking weakness for peace. You want energy? Earn it. And if you're ready to stop wasting your life, hit like, subscribe, and wake the hell up.